Hello everybody, this is buttonmakers.com.
Hi everybody, my name is Becky Buttons and this is my daughter Penny Pins and her best friend Neighbor Nora. We're here.
Wait.
What?
Let me talk. Her real name's Nora, you know.
Okay.
For short it's Neighbor Nora. It's actually Kitty Buttons. I love cats, that's why my nickname is Kitty Buttons.
We're here today with another edition of Pandemic Work Schooling. I'm here at work with my daughter and her best friend because
my mind when I lose.
The schools are closed. And today the craft that we're gonna make is creepy eyeball buttons on homemade paper flowers. We're gonna make a nice little Halloween decoration.
We're gonna do the petals like that. So it just takes a short amount of time.
Penny's really excited to show you how to make those flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very, very excited.
Let's get started. Okay, so the supplies that we'll need to make our creepy eyeball flowers are tissue paper, paper straws, creepy eyeball graphics, a Model 100 button making machine, a ProMaker Punch, scissors, flat back button supplies in the 1-inch size, and hot glue.
Yep. There's scissors in there, Mama.
And ribbon.
Well, ribbon if you want it.
Optional ribbon. Okay, so we're putting some tissue in a jar. I'm going to take a few squares of tissue and then staple them together and try to make a flower. I fan folded the tissue paper and stapled it to the paper straw, and then I'm going to feather out the tissue to see if this works a little better than the last time. Try not to rip it.
I got the scissors.
Thank you.
Maybe you can use 2 stems?
Is this creepy enough for you, Penny Pins?
It kind of looks like a pom-pom.
Yeah, kinda. I mean, you know, it's like our creepy
Pom-pom.
our creepy pom-pom flowers for Halloween. And then we're gonna glue eyeballs to it.
Okay, I need to use all of these now. Actually, I need to use all of these. Are you okay with that? Yeah.
What do you girls think is the best part about making buttons?
Getting to do any design you want.
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, so that's better than just going to the store and buying buttons pre-made. You can actually like design them yourself and make them yourself. Is that the cool part?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else?
I'm putting in lots of flowers.
If somebody asked you if they should buy a button making machine, what would you say?
Yes.
Is making buttons really, really fun for kids?
Yes.
Okay, so now to make the eyeball buttons, we're going to need to cut these down into strips first.
Yes.
Here, Nora, do you want to use the adult scissors?
Yes.
There you go. You can use the adult scissors if you want to cut these down. What is the first color eyeball that you would like to make? Pink? Looks like Penny's going for the pink. So what I did was I found this graphic on the internet and I just downloaded it. The license for this is for commercial, is for personal use only. So you would not be able to resell
And I want blue.
these designs, but because we're only using this for a personal craft, it's totally fine to do that. But we do have a lot of good resources on our website, buttonmakers.net, for finding designs that are free for commercial use as well. If you are selling your creations, you can find commercial licensed images. Just go to buttonmakers.net and check our blog. All right. Do you guys want to press out some buttons now? Do you got blue and pink eyeballs? What other colors do you want?
This has got one more eyeball.
That's okay. Let's just leave it. Do you want some green ones?
No.
We'll make a couple of green ones.
I don't want green ones. Can I make my pink ones?
Yeah, you can have some pink ones. Do you want to do it?
Yep.
All right, so let's turn it this way for you.
I want more blue and pink ones. I want more blue and pink ones.
Okay.
A color of strip fell on the floor. That's not mine. Let me go see whose it is.
Okay, so this is the Model 100 button making machine, and the supplies that we're using today include shells, flat backs, mylar, and that's it, and the creepy eyeballs.
Yep.
We're also gonna make a couple of regular pins, which include colettes and lock pins, but for this one, we're just gonna do flat backs.
Yep.
We're using the flat back so that we can glue the stuff together. So the shell goes into the pickup die, smooth side up, and then the graphic goes on top of the shell. That's right. So graphic next. And then a piece of mylar. And rotate that around. Rotate this around. Good. All right, now this part goes in sharp side up. Good job sneezing into the crook of your arm. Good. Pull it all the way down. Do you mind? Lift the handle up.
I mind.
You mind? Get your foot off the table and the thing off your thing.
No, pretend to help me breathe.
All right, that's good. Lift it up.
And
We have a second Model 100 if you want to make your own. Also penny pens. That's great. So now we've got a button that looks just like an eyeball, and we can glue it onto your flower arrangement.
we need to get another cookie.
Okay, the back is in there the wrong way. So you can only get that out now with a magnet. Okay, so if you want to make a glue-on button, it goes in sharp side up. Okay.
This is how you make your own buttons, viewers.
Do a button reveal.
Button reveal.
Oh, beautiful.
It's red, and we also have hot pink.
All right, can you make me a hot pink one?
Yes, and I also already have a hot pink made one.
All right.
And a purple one.
Cool.
And I don't know where my blue one went.
Here's a blue one.
Oh, yeah, this is my blue one. This is my blue one. I'm not doing this.
All right. Have you given up?
Yep. No. Let's do some ribbon dancing.
Okay, so you're gonna do ribbon dancing. I'm just gonna go ahead and
I gotta cut these ribbons.
make a bow here. I'm gonna go ahead and just glue on. I'm gonna try not to burn myself with this hot glue again. And we'll just glue this on right there. And
Hi.
hi.
I've only been gone for like a minute.
Whoa, it felt like 12 years.
That's because time flies.
Well, that does it for this edition of buttonmakers.net pandemic work schooling. These are our beautiful Halloween eyeball button decorations. Thank you so much for watching, and please visit buttonmakers.net for all of your button related needs. Any last words?
Bye, everybody. We love you. Unless you're Mackenzie. Bye. If you're Mackenzie, then why did you punch me in the tooth?
Mackenzie punched you in the tooth?
Uh-huh.
Oh, screw her.
Yeah.
Yeah.